Pack my suitcase.
Where are you going?
Wisconsin.
What are you going to Wisconsin for?
See what Ella.
Oh, really? How long are you going to stay there?
5 days.
5 days? Who's going to take you?
I'm married.
What all did you pack?
Clothes.
What kind of clothes?
All those ones.
Oh, really? You pack your toothbrush?
Yeah.
Underwear?
Yeah.
You're all set to go then, huh?
See?
Oh, yeah. So now you just need Aunt Mary, huh?
I'm packing all my stuff.
But I think Aunt Mary's going to North Carolina. She's not going to Wisconsin.
She can go. She's going to Wisconsin before.
Oh, really?
She's going somewhere else before.
Oh, she is? I think she's going to Kentucky before.
Kentucky's the way, I think.
Kentucky's on the way to Wisconsin?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.